Namaste and welcome to Concepts with Karan. Today I want to share with all of you a very important aspect in the world of finance and personal finance, which is how not to choose a mutual fund scheme. So I want to turn this around and share with you how not to select a fund, what not to do while selecting a fund. And the number one thing of what not to do while selecting a scheme that you want to invest in is look at the past 1 year performance. Please do not judge your investment decisions only on the basis of past 1 year performance, because क्या होगा कि 1 year performance में सिर्फ the best performing sector या एक fund या एक scheme या एक pattern throw होगा which may or may not necessarily fit into your investment style. For example, 2 साल पहले the best performing funds or the best performing schemes were all IT related funds. Today, if you look at the best performing funds, they'll all be small cap and mid cap related funds. So there is no point just looking at the 1 year performance of funds and then deciding on how to invest. So number one thing is avoid that. The number two thing that you must do or do not do while choosing a fund is only look at it in isolation. Please look at आपको fund क्यों invest कर रहे हैं. For example, asset allocation is so important while deciding on how to invest. And that is why defining your asset allocation and your risk becomes supremely critical. So the second piece that I'd like you to do or not do is only look at isolation and not look at the big picture. And the third and perhaps the most important thing is please do not do all of this on your own, because remember, until and unless this is your full-time profession and until and unless this is what you do, try and seek the help of a good mutual fund distributor or a good mutual fund advisor. Do not try and do this on your own, not because आप कर नहीं सकते, it's because it is always good to have someone by your side whose profession it is to help and guide you. So 3 things while choosing or not choosing a fund. Number 1, do not just look at 1 year performance. Please do not just look at every fund in isolation. And third, please try not to do this on your own. If you can follow these 3 mantras, it will be a great investing experience and it will help in creating wealth for you. Thank you.